Alright, you guys, we're here. We're at the 2022 Southeast Dinghy Championship right in Key Biscayne Bay. It's a beautiful day, lots of wind. It's going to be very exciting. Races today. Knots cut to that now. Weather's about 10 sustained with about up to 12 to 15, I think, gusts. So it should be a good day. I'm excited. Tomorrow too, same thing. Beautiful, beautiful weather. So downtown Miami right behind. This is my home course. This is where I come out here and train. So I haven't been out here in a while. Life's gotten in the way, so it's been nice to be able to get out here and get back out in the water. This is actually Hammerhead Nursery, and I've actually seen hammerheads out here before, so don't go jumping in anytime soon, but I'm sure you're fine. Everyone's just getting ready for the first race. We have a committee boat up there, a lot of boats still coming in. Pin end right there. Just waiting on the start sequence. Once they fire off that first gun, we'll know. I think everyone starts together.